All right. I'm Nathan Ryan, the moderator for this meeting, and here's my 1 minute elevator speech. Um, I spent the last 4 years performing with NC State's marching band while pursuing my degree in aerospace engineering, which has been a really great balance between creativity and technical challenge. As for the technical challenge, I've really enjoyed working on projects, which has given me a great opportunity to learn programs like MATLAB and SolidWorks, which really, are designing the solutions and analyzing the results of testing. I've also enjoyed working on those projects in team environments, which has allowed me to kind of, learn from my group mates as well as just learn how to work as a team, which I've also done as a member of the marching band, as we have to, perform as one ensemble, as well as, learning the time management skill to balance 20-hour weeks with doing my schoolwork. But, do you mind if I follow up if I have any additional questions? All right. Next up, we'll hear from Aaron Davis. Aaron, whenever you're ready.
Thank you. Do you want someone who is able to automate your manufacturing processes? If so, I think I might be the right person for the role. I'm a computer science student at NC State with hands-on experience in factory automation. While interning at Bosch, I used Python and PLC programming to automate a testing procedure for a ball screw assembly. This automation freed up engineers to focus on developing new products rather than testing existing ones. I've also spent the past 3 years tutoring physics, which has really deepened my understanding of the engineering concepts behind the systems that I automate. That's a big part of why I'm so interested in this role at your company. Do you mind if I follow up with you if I have any additional questions?
All right. Thank you, Aaron. Next up, we'll hear from Jake Holt. Jake, whenever you're ready.
So for the past 3 summers, I worked full-time at the Readiness Center East. My first 2 summers I spent on the C-130 long-term structures team, where I worked on focusing on aircraft sustainability and fasteners. This past summer, I worked on the H-53 structures team, where I worked on the engineer particle separator. I was trying to solve a recurring issue. This made me really realize how much I like doing that investigative work in engineering, where you're trying to find the root cause of an issue that nobody else can. During the school year, I'm a full-time student at NC State, majoring in aerospace engineering. I'm minoring in engineering education. I'm heavily involved in music across NC State. I'm a member of the marching band, symphonic band, and basketball pep band. Outside of work and school, I make short documentary science videos for YouTube that try to communicate complex ideas to a more general audience so they're easy to understand. Do you mind if I follow up if I have any additional questions?
All right. Thank you, Jake. Last up, we'll hear from Andy. Andy, whenever you're ready.
I love finding ways to make systems more efficient, smarter, and better, and also faster. Last summer, I interned as a mechanical engineer focused on process improvement with Clayton Homes in Richfield. During this internship, I focused on developing apps and dashboards using both Power Apps and Power BI, which were focused on streamlining communication between the office and the production line. These apps were projected to save over $10,000 annually in labor time, both cutting down on the cost on the production line and in the office. During my time at NC State, I have also developed skills in MATLAB, Python, and SolidWorks, for which I have obtained the CSWA certification. This upcoming summer, I'm looking for an internship where I'll be able to apply the skills I've learned and continue to improve processes. Do you mind if I follow up if I have any additional questions?
All right. Thanks, Andy. I guess this concludes our 1 minute elevator pitches.